My friend Kevin sent me this package from Japan, and I'm very excited to have received it and open it. I know what's in it, but I wanted to share. It would be a home version of one of my favorite video games. Let's see how to open this. Look at that. Oh, here we go. There it is. That is my favorite arcade game ever. But he was also kind enough to include this. A Famicom clone, I believe it is. And maybe there's a surprise or two in here. Here are the cables. Power supply. Oh, another controller. And here's a little treat. Parodius is what this is supposed to be. But it says Macross. Maybe he sent me the wrong thing. In any case, it is much appreciated and will be loved. And this is why I am so excited to get this today. It means I now have a matching set.